Jonathan, and I have written books and many articles about climate change. And what is important here is that Afghanistan has done nothing to create the problem of climate change. That problem was created by the rich and the industrialized countries of the world. Afghanistan is one of the poorest countries in the world. Afghanistan has had 43 years of war, and Afghanistan is one of the worst affected countries in the world by climate change. That is wrong. It is not fair. And more than that, now Afghan scientists and climate experts are being excluded from the United Nations process. That is what I came to say. What I found, which was surprising and very, very pleasing, was the commitment of the Afghan government and of Afghan scientists and scholars to do something about climate change. The conference that I've just been to was very good because the government sent 7 ministers to talk to Afghan people, their own people, about the importance of taking action on climate change. I have not seen this anywhere else in the world, but also the Afghan scholars and scientists, more than 200 of them, the work that they are doing together, the work on climate change. But I think that now that Afghanistan is at peace, it is possible for Afghanistan to be part of how all of humanity reacts to that great challenge we face. And I'm very glad of that. Thank you.